welcome back to the channel. So today we are talking kitchen island, guys. If you know me well, you know that anything when it comes to home decor, home management, I'm all here for it, guys. So today we're going to be treating how to decorate your kitchen island. 3 ways I love to decorate my kitchen island, and of course, like I always say, when it comes to table decoration, you can never go wrong with 4 things: your flower, your candle, your tray, and your decorative books. So I'm going to show you guys little simple ways I love to go ahead and decorate my kitchen island. And of course, when I'm talking about my kitchen island, guys, I'm that type of person that always loves something eatable. If it's not fruits, it's candies, it's baked goods, I always love to have something eatable on my kitchen island, so that way it's welcoming. I always love to put eatable things on it. So let's just go ahead and get started, because I'm so excited. These 3 different ways you can start your kitchen island. I hope you guys find it helpful, and don't forget to hit that like button. Okay, so since it's summer, guys, you can never go wrong with a very nice kind of summery floral arrangement. And this right here, I absolutely love the fact that I have different textures and also different colors of flowers. I have some green, I have some white, I have some peach and pink. Like I always say, guys, your flower is always like the centerpiece when it comes to your decoration. You can never go wrong with flowers. So adding something like this, and also I love like long and tall flowers. I don't like short flowers, guys. I don't know, I'm the type of person that love all the glam. I mean, give me all the glam, give me all the glitz when it comes to my decoration. So something like this, big and beautiful, I absolutely love. I love to put my book stand on my island. Every kitchen needs a recipe book, guys, and I absolutely love this one from Magnolia Table. And you can just open up any page, any page of your liking, add it there. As you guys can see, this one says dinner, and it's as if I planned it, because it says cook dinner, I guess. But yeah, I just put this here. Like I told you guys, anything eatable, just add this fruit bowl right here. This has all my red apples. Absolutely love it. And for some reason, I feel like this goes so well with the floral arrangements and then the page on the book. So this is kind of my first option. Absolutely love it. As you guys can see, there's something to eat, there's something to cook, and then the flower, it just ties the whole look together. If there's one flower vase you tell me I have to use for the rest of my life, it has to be this vase, guys. I absolutely love it. Like, look how I love the silhouette of the vase, and I love the fact that it's tall. You guys know I love me some tall vases. So of course, this right here, absolutely love it. And I decided to add this kind of, what is this? Is this cherry blossom? I think this is cherry blossom, but in neutral, in white. I decided to add this here. And of course, you guys already know I love me some tall flowers. So with this right here, and also when decorating my kitchen island, I absolutely love kind of putting the flower right at the middle of the 2 lights. If you have kind of accent lights on your island, it's gonna be perfect. So I'm just gonna add this vase here, and I picked this up from Marshalls, TJ Maxx for $12.99. I'm gonna put this here. This is gonna kind of house my candle and also my matchbox. So I'm gonna add this here, and then my matchbox. And I have this kind of candle utensil. It came as a set of 3, but I love using this one because it's more like a scissors. You can use this to cut the wax or the thread. What is it called again? Yeah, the thread off of your candle. And of course, like I always say, I love having anything eatable on my island. So I'm gonna add a few chocolates in here. And this is going to be perfect, you know, especially if you have kids, if you have visitors, you know, just something eatable right on the island. I absolutely love it. When it comes to decorating, you can never go wrong with a tray, a decorative tray. This kind of helps to anchor your decoration. So as you guys saw from the two ways, I didn't use any tray, so everything is kind of open, but when you add tray to your decoration, it kind of helps to anchor the whole thing. So I just added this tray right here, and remember, like I said, I always like to position everything right at the center, you know, at the middle of my accent lights. Decorative books are so important, so I'm gonna add this here. Actually, I'm gonna add the two right here, and then I'm gonna add my vase. As always, everything you guys see here is gonna be linked in my description box, but with this particular design right here, I just wanted to keep it very kind of on the bohemian, you know, on the, what is it called, the farmhouse. Like, I'm giving it that bohemian farmhouse look. So I'm using this very gorgeous green plant, and then I'm adding this fruit bowl. This has my lime and my lemon in it, and then I have these this candle stand and my candle. Now to finish up this look, I'm gonna add my garland. Absolutely I love this design, guys. I would say this has to be my favorite out of the three. This has to be my favorite. I mean, sometimes I just love that kind of farmhouse, you know, bohemian feel. And yeah, love this. I think, like I said, this is my favorite. I'm about to make myself some lemonade. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I just, you know, wanted to share how I love to style my kitchen island, and I hope you're inspired. I hope it was helpful, and of course, please don't forget to hit that like button below, and also hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And till my next video, I will see you all very soon. Bye.